guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This vlog is all about Amsterdam. So we reached Amsterdam early afternoon and Amsterdam में जो airport है वो train station से connected है. So it's quite convenient that you can just get out of the airport and board a train to your destination. ट्रेन स्टेशन में आपको जो ट्रेन लेनी होती है वो इधर यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ वन वे टिकट और यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक अ डे पास. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्लान फॉर द डे, यू कैन डिसाइड व्हाट यू वांट टू गो फॉर. एंड इट्स क्वाइट कन्वीनियंट प्रोसेस. जैसा यहाँ पे इंडिया पे होता है वैसा ही प्रोसेस है वहाँ पे भी. सिंपली जस्ट गेट अ टिकट, जस्ट फिगर आउट विच प्लेटफॉर्म द ट्रेन इज कमिंग एंड यू कैन बोर्ड इट. So as soon as we reached the airport and moved to the train station, सबसे पहले तो हमने अपने jackets निकाले because it was so cold, and more than cold it was so windy. So yeah, after doing that we just boarded the train. It was a beautiful train with great views and हमने थोड़ा सा relax किया train पे, and we were very excited to reach our hotel and then फटाफट से check in करके हमें निकलना था because we had just 2 days in Amsterdam and we wanted to make the full out of it. Once we got out of the train, we had to figure out which way to go because वहाँ पे इतनी शांति होती है, ज़्यादा कोई होता नहीं है आपकी हेल्प वगैरह करने के लिए भी. सो आपको खुद ही फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा सब. एंड यूरोप जा रहे हो तो चलने के लिए तो तैयार होना ही चाहिए एंड लगेज ड्रैग करने के लिए भी तैयार होना चाहिए. सो आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ वॉकिंग वी वर फाइनली एबल टू रीच आवर एयरबीएनबी. आई विल गिव यू अ लिटिल टूर ऑफ दिस एयरबीएनबी. सो हमने मोस्टली हर जगह एयरबीएनबीज ही बुक किए थे बिकॉज वी वॉन्टेड a kitchen also, so that हमें थोड़ा मोड़ा कुछ चाहिए हो तो हम यूज़ कर सके kitchen. So this was a nice cozy Airbnb. Not the room was not huge, but at the same time it was not very small as well, and it had all the basic amenities. And अंदर actually this was a room in a big house. The house was extremely pretty. The kitchen was also great. It had a great garden, and it was a very comfortable stay. First things first, we bought a sim, then we freshened up, and we finally started exploring the city. So this was the neighborhood of our Airbnb. It was so peaceful and beautiful, and it was sunny out there. The train station was nearby, so we just boarded a train and reached the city center. So city center में पहुँचने के लिए you have to take a train to Amsterdam Central Station, and you can see this station is just so beautiful, and we took a day pass because हम train से ही commute करने वाले थे. So it was more reasonable to buy a pass rather than a one-way ticket. And once you get out, you just need to start walking. You can either rent a bike or just walk. So we decided that we'll just walk because we wanted to soak in this beautiful city one step at a time. So अगर मैं modes of transportation की बात करूँ तो train तो of course is one mode of transportation. Then bikes, you can rent bikes and use them, or you can also take these trams. So ये सारे ही options हैं, and उसके अलावा आपके पास taxis and Uber उसका भी option है. So this beautiful river in front of the Amsterdam Central Station is called the IJ, which is connected to the North Sea to the west and the IJmuir Lake to the east. And it was breathtaking. Words don't do justice to how beautiful it was. And यहाँ पे आप boat rides भी rent कर सकते हो. You can also see some people taking the rides, and all in all it was a very pretty scenery. यू हैव टू बी क्वाइट केयरफुल इन एम्स्टरडेम कि आप जो बाइकर्स की लेन है उस पर ना चलो, बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ स्पीड एंड इट इज़ नॉट रियली सेफ. सो प्लीज़ 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 बी कॉशियस व्हेन you are walking on the streets. The buildings and houses in Amsterdam look straight out of a coloring book, and they are so unique and beautifully made, and these canals just make the overall picture even more magical. It all felt as though we had stepped into a dream where every corner of the city unfolded like a living painting. The canals shimmered with the reflection of the golden sun, the streets whispered stories of the past, and the vibrant tulips swayed as if they were part of some enchanting, otherworldly scene. Time seemed to slow, and for a moment, reality blended seamlessly with the beauty that surrounded us, making everything feel like a beautiful dream come to life. Amsterdam has a lot of museums and art galleries, but because we were here for just 2 days and हम जो बाकी जगह जाने वाले थे वहाँ पे हम already galleries and museums में जाने वाले थे, so we just decided to spend our time exploring the different streets of Amsterdam for the first day, and for our second day we had a small day trip planned. We stopped by to buy some souvenirs, and these shops had all sorts of fridge magnets, showpieces, and Amsterdam के जो canals हैं, houses हैं, ये सब of course are the most famous things. So आपको जो souvenirs भी मिलेंगे सब वैसे टाइप के ही मिलेंगे, and ये एक बहुत ही pretty सी souvenir shop थी जहाँ पे we checked out a lot of things and also bought a few. At this point, we were starving and we just went in and had some hot spaghetti, which just felt like so comforting in this cold weather. They say that sometimes the best adventures happen when you wander without a plan. And that's exactly what happened to us in Amsterdam. As we walked through the city's charming streets, we stumbled upon a hidden local carnival, a vibrant celebration that seemed to pulse with life. There was a band playing some infectious tunes जो एकदम से पूरे environment में energy भर दे रहा था, and the sound of laughter and joy echoed through the night. The carnival had it all: thrilling rides, delicious food, refreshing drinks, people dancing, lost in the music and in the moment. It was very unexpected, yet a perfect slice of local culture, an unforgettable discovery that felt like a true gift from the city itself. As the night progressed, the chill in the air grew more intense, so we sought refuge in the warmth of a cozy cafe with steaming cups of hot coffee in hand and crispy french fries in another. We wrapped ourselves in the simple comfort of the moment. We wrapped up the night with a familiar comfort: burgers from McDonald's, a perfect end to an unforgettable day in Amsterdam. From wandering through the bustling streets and exploring the vibrant red light district to discovering shops, eateries, and stumbling upon carnivals, every moment was filled with adventure and wonder. The next morning, we set off bright and early to visit one of Amsterdam's most iconic destinations, the Keukenhof Gardens. Open only from late March to early May, we were fortunate enough to be there at just the right time when the tulips were in full bloom. Tulips, of course, are the pride of Amsterdam, and a visit to these gardens is an experience not to be missed. A quick tip, अपनी टिकट्स जो हैं वो आपको ऑफिशियल साइट से बुक करनी चाहिए एंड यू हैव टू बुक देम वेल इन एडवांस, अदरवाइज आपको नहीं मिलेंगी. We hopped on into a bus that took us directly there, and from the moment we stepped in, our adventure began. Surrounded by millions of vibrant and colorful tulips, it felt as though we had stepped into a dream, where every petal was a stroke of magic in the landscape. Hi. What are we doing?
We're having our lunch.
What is it?
This is pasta, arrabbiata pasta,
Okay.
and we are having our lunch here.
Feels good? After immersing ourselves in the beauty of tulips, we made our way to explore one of the iconic windmills. It felt like stepping into a scene from a storybook, its blades turning slowly in the breeze, perfectly complementing the countryside around it. It was time for us to head back, although we didn't want to, but we had to. So we made our way to the souvenir shop because no adventure is complete without some memories from the adventure. So I got these wooden tulips and some postcards, and then we headed back to the city. Hey guys, so finally we are back from the tulip garden, and kicking off was great. It was very sunny till I think 4:30, and then weather एकदम से change हो गया. So like I heard that Europe has a very erratic weather, but आज देख भी लिया, एंड एकदम से बारिश होने लगी एंड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी वेरी विंडी इन एम्स्टरडैम. सो या आई मीन इट वाज प्रीटी डिफिकल्ट राइड बैक. सो लाइक बस में तो ऑफ कोर्स सही था एंड देन वी टुक अ ट्रेन बैक फ्रॉम द RAI स्टेशन टू एम्स्टरडैम सेंट्रल जहाँ पे हमने अपना लगेज वगैरह सबमिट किया हुआ है. सो या फाइनली वी हैव यू नो यहाँ पे बारिश भी हो रही थी बहुत, तो हमने एक अम्ब्रेला लिया क्योंकि हमने अपने अम्ब्रेला वगैरह भी लॉकर में ही रख दिया था बिकॉज वी डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि आज बारिश होगी. सो या पॉइंट नोटेड कि हमेशा अम्ब्रेला अपना कैरी करना है. सो हमने अभी एक अम्ब्रेला लिया एंड वी हैव मैनेज टू फाइंड पिज़्ज़ा प्लेस. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा है आने के बाद. इट्स वार्म एंड कोजी आउट हियर एंड इट्स अ लवली प्लेस. So we are just going to have some dinner and then head for our bus to Paris. Atul is feeling really cold. मेरी कैप लगा ली है.
It is cool, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. So our order is here and now we're just going to have some nice warm pizza. In addition to exploring the Canal Belt, Red Light District, coffee shops, cafes, markets, and neighborhoods like Keukenhof that we explored, if you have some more time in Amsterdam, you can also visit the Anne Frank House, Rijksmuseum, Vondelpark, Foodhallen, Van Gogh Museum, and Zaanse Schans windmills. Finally, it was time to head to Paris. Amsterdam will always hold a special place in my heart, and I truly hope we'll have the chance to return to this beautiful city someday. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.